today's video, we're going to be talking about the Zoella x Colourpop Brunch Date collection. I got this whole entire collection here. I can't remember how much it is, but I'll put down below on the screen here how much it is. This is the cutest collection that I have seen Colourpop do yet. It's so adorable. In this first little half, I'm going to be showing you swatches and going through and showing you all the packaging on this. And then in the second half of the video, I'm going to give you an in-depth review of this collection. I will put timestamps below in the description box and on the screen to tell you when the swatches start and when the review starts. That way, if you only want to see one part of it, then you can do that. So if you guys are interested in seeing this collection, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just jump right on in here and start swatching and telling you a little bit about each product. First of all, this bag is adorable. It says Brunch Date on it and it has like two little eggies on it. This bag you can buy separately as well. I love this clear packaging. So beautiful. I'm going to first swatch the eyeshadow palette for you first. It looks so beautiful. It's just like a waffle with little blueberries and strawberries on it and little like syrup, and it says Brunch Date across here. And then on the inside of all of this packaging, it has little eggs. It's so cute. And then this is what the eyeshadow palette actually looks like. It's so freaking adorable. On the back here, you have all of the shade names. And on the inside here, you have a huge mirror. And then all of the shades on here as well. And they also have the names underneath each shade, which I really appreciate. Right here are the swatches of all of the eyeshadow palette colors. This eyeshadow palette is very neutral, with the exception of this pop of blue, which I actually really like this pop of blue. However, this eyeshadow palette, I feel like I have something like this in my makeup collection already. So do I think you absolutely need it? No, it's not a unique palette by any means. It has a lot of neutrals, with the exception of this pop of blue. But if you want it just for the packaging, I would definitely get it because it is so cute. I bought this whole collection based on the packaging alone. I'm not going to lie about that. And next I'm going to swatch the blush and the highlighter. It comes in this very cute packaging. It's pink and it looks like a little egg. And then when you open it up, you get this little compact with the yellow heart, and it has a good sized mirror in it, and this pan size is huge for this highlighter. This highlighter is absolutely stunning. It's a very pretty subtle like gold to pink shift highlighter. It's very subtle, but you can tell in person here. I don't know if it's picking up on camera or not. This highlighter is very beautiful. I love how it gives it that like gold to pinkish shift. I don't know if you can see it on my cheek at all. But this highlighter I can definitely see myself wearing on an everyday basis because it pairs absolutely beautifully with the blush that she came out with, which is just in the same exact packaging as the highlight. It's this beautiful pink color. This pink blush tone complements that highlighter so beautifully. That is what the blush looks like swatched. I can definitely see myself using this as well on an everyday basis because, like I said, they complement each other beautifully. And also on the inside of the unicarton of the blush and highlight has the same little egg print. And next I'm going to quickly swatch the two cream gel eyeliners in this collection. These have little strawberry hearts on the packaging. And then when you open it up, it has the same little egg design. And these are in this very beautiful orange packaging. So, so beautiful. And the first one that I'm swatching for you is in XOXO. And it's this black shade right here. It has the faintest amount of little gold glitters in it. You can barely see it. But it is stunning and so incredibly smooth and creamy. These eyeliners are really decent eyeliners. Then the next one that I have to show you is in Sincerely Yours, which is the brown in the collection. And that one right there is what the brown looks like. It as well has little teeny tiny little micro glitters in it. They are so hard to see, but they are there. It's very faint though. And next up in the collection are the Supernova Shadow bundle. It comes in this cute little juice carton, which is so adorable. She came out with two fairly similar shades. One has more glitter to it than the other one does. This one right here is called OG. It's so beautiful. It's like this champagne-y gold with lots of little sparkles in it. It's so beautiful. And then this one right here is in the shade Bellini. It's more of like a creamy metallic. It doesn't have like any little glitters in it at all. They look very similar, but yet they are very different. These are absolutely stunning. I love these so much. Definitely see myself using these on an everyday basis. That's what I've kind of noticed about everything in this collection, is it's something that you can wear every day, which I am so down for. I don't really like those collections that come out with stuff that, you know, like you're gonna wear it like once every, you know, couple of months. This stuff I can see myself wearing every day. So that for me is worth the money. And the last things that I have to swatch for you are in these adorable little milk cartons. These are the lip products. So freaking cute. The first ones that I have on my lips here is the one in At Me, and it has the Oh Snap Lippy pencil with it. So right here is At Me, and then the Oh Snap Lippy pencil. It's a good mauve nude color. And next is the red in the collection. This is in Self Love Club right here, and then it has the matching lippy pencil in Bossy. And then the last one is a stunning nude color in Little One. So this is the Little One lipstick and then the lippy pencil. All of these lip products are in the Ultra Matte Lip Formula, which is very drying, but yet still very comfortable on the lips. I really am in love with this whole entire collection. I don't see myself disliking anything really. So now let's go ahead and jump right into my makeup tutorial and review. So I already did my base makeup. I did my foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, and eyebrows. So I'm going to finish up the face. We're going to go in with the blush in this collection called Soulmate. Just going to tap my brush into it. And this is a very beautiful pink color. It's like a true pink. I really like this blush. It just looks so beautiful on my cheeks. I look nice and flushed. And now I'm going to jump into the highlighter in this collection. I'm just going to dip my brush in here and go right in on my cheek. And this highlight, if I'm not mistaken, it has like a golden pink shift to it, which is actually very, very beautiful. It complements the blush beautifully. This is actually really, really nice. It's more on the subtle side of highlighter, but I'm really, really liking that gold to pink shift. Now I'm going to jump into the eyeshadow palette. I am first going to take a transition shade, which I'm going to use Maple Syrup as my transition shade. Just going to dip in here and then go straight in to the eye. Now I'm going to dip into this shade right here called Mimosa. I'm just going to use that to deepen up my crease a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with Americano. I'm going to focus that on the outer corner of my eye, deepening that up a little bit. I'm pushing it ever so slightly into the crease as well. Right, now I'm done with my eyelids for right now, but I am going to go in with this electric blue shade called Brunch Club, and I'm going to smoke that out underneath my lower lash line. And I know it's looking whoa crazy right now, but we're going to fix this. Just bear with me. So now I'm done dipping into this palette for right now. I am going to go in with this Group Hug Supernova Shadow Bundle and use one of these for my eyelid color. And I think I'm going to go ahead and apply OG all over my lids. I think I'm going to take a little flat brush and kind of take it off of the wand and then go in just to see how that works. Ooh, that is looking really, really pretty. I like that shade. Ooh, I really, really like that. That is a beautiful glittery shade. So pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go back into the palette and go in with a Champagne Toast, and that is what I'm going to use to highlight my inner corner of my eye. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone with this color as well. there are also two liners in this collection. So there is a black kind of sparkly one, and then there is also a brown sparkly one. I think I want to use the brown one on my eyes today. I'm just going to put this in my waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara off camera, and I will be right back. I used the Colourpop BFF Volumizing Mascara. On my top lashes, I applied the black on black, and then on my bottom lashes, I applied Blue Ya Mind. These mascaras are amazing. They have an amazing formula. I love these. Now I'm quickly going to throw on one of the lips in her collection. This one is by far my favorite color. This is called At Me, and the lippy pencil is in Oh Snap. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my review and swatches of this collection. If you did, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!